Hi CC tutors, this is cycle 1, weeks 1 through 6 art. This is just going to be an overview of what we're going to be doing. When we see you guys in August, I'm going to give each, let's see if you can see this. So whoever your art representative is, so Heidi, this is my side, and then whoever else is doing art, I should probably figure out who you guys are, for our community. This is your grouping for both of your classes. So I just want to show you what you're going to get. You are both, there's two of these in small rubber binders that look the same. These are going to be what your classes are going to use all throughout the year. It'll say, like this one will say week 1, so you know that you're going to use that for week 1. As you go down further, it'll tell you what week you are, what week you're using it for. Each paper clip has 8 sheets of paper in it. As of right now, that'll be totally fine. If we add some into our community, instead of wasting paper and putting 9 in everyone's, we just put 8. So if you are short and you have 9 in your class at any point, just let Julie know and she'll go find 1 in another class. Chances that everyone is at CC every week is very minimal, so there'll always be an extra sheet. It might be a little bit harder to find certain weeks, but instead of wasting paper, we just counted out 8 for everyone. So store those. You have those 2, and then on inside of the folder on the left hand side, you'll get a stack of papers, and those are going to be, there's 2 of those. So the only thing that, if I hand you a folder, the only thing you're going to need to give your science counterpart is the front of the left-hand side, and this is weeks 1 through 18 of the fine arts portion. 19 to 24 is coming. So you're going to put this into your white binder that you'll use every single week with science. This is all that; those are all your directions. On the right-hand side of your folder, you'll see this picture. That is going to be some art that we're going to use. Sometimes it's for fine art, sometimes it's for the first 6 weeks of, I should say, great composers, and then sometimes it's just for general weeks. Again, this is going to say right on there, so you can see it, CC, that's a C, cycle 1, week 4. So this is what you're going to use for that. All of these are going to be shared, and these need to go back into the folder so we can reuse them again. So please, please, please make sure that you have them paper clipped, and even if you can get that Post-it back on it, that would be awesome, because then 3 years later we'll know what it is. So that is the general format for what I'm going to go through. If I start talking about stuff, or if I say get your sheets out or your paper clips, they'll be in any artwork will be in this folder, and any sheets that your class is going to need for that week will be in this binder. Okay, thanks.